Toyota has unveiled the Hyper-F concept, pushing the boundaries of adventure with a bold reinterpretation of the Fortuner that promises to redefine off-road capability and futuristic design. This concept car represents Toyota's vision of the ultimate adventure vehicle, combining rugged durability with cutting-edge technology to conquer any terrain with confidence and style. At its core, the Toyota Hyper-F concept boasts an aggressive exterior design that commands attention on and off the road. With muscular proportions, pronounced wheel arches, and distinctive LED lighting signatures, the Hyper-F exudes a sense of power and capability that reflects its off-road prowess. The Hyper-F concept's interior is a blend of comfort and advanced technology, designed to enhance the driver and passenger's off-road experience. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls create a sophisticated cabin environment that prioritizes both functionality and luxury, ensuring a comfortable journey even in the most challenging environments. Underneath its rugged exterior, the Toyota Hyper-F concept is equipped with state-of-the-art off-road technology designed to tackle extreme terrain with ease. Advanced suspension systems, robust drivetrain components, and intelligent traction management systems work in harmony to provide maximum traction and stability, allowing drivers to navigate steep inclines, rocky surfaces, and uneven trails without hesitation. Performance-wise, the Hyper-F concept is powered by a potent engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque, optimized for both on-road efficiency and off-road capability. Whether cruising on highways or conquering rugged landscapes, the Hyper-F concept offers dynamic performance that adapts to the driver's demands. Beyond its formidable performance capabilities, the Toyota Hyper-F concept integrates advanced safety features and driver assistance technologies to enhance confidence and peace of mind. From adaptive cruise control to lane departure warning systems, the concept ensures that safety remains a top priority, allowing drivers to focus on the thrill of exploration without compromising on security. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is also evident in the Hyper-F concept, with efficient powertrain options that prioritize fuel economy and reduced emissions. By embracing hybrid or electric propulsion systems, Toyota aims to minimize environmental impact while maintaining the Hyper-F concept's formidable performance capabilities. As Toyota enthusiasts and adventure seekers eagerly anticipate the Hyper-F concept's debut, Toyota's dedication to pushing the boundaries of off-road innovation remains unwavering. With each concept vehicle, Toyota reaffirms its commitment to delivering vehicles that inspire exploration, embody durability, and redefine what's possible in the realm of adventure-ready SUVs. Looking ahead, Toyota continues to refine and evolve the Hyper-F concept, incorporating feedback and technological advancements to further enhance its performance, design, and functionality. By pushing the limits of automotive engineering, Toyota aims to set new benchmarks for off-road excellence, ensuring that the Hyper-F concept remains the pinnacle of adventure and capability in the SUV segment.